If you want to see exactly how I got this color, then keep watching. What's up, rich babes, rich hustlers, and cousins? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is your girl, Rich Girl Red, and I'm back with another one. If you are new here, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, that notification bell, and make sure you go ahead and like and share to a friend. Now let's go ahead and get into it. So today I'm going to show y'all how I got this cut and color. I have not finished styling this wig. I'm probably going to add some layers and some curls. But the first thing I started with doing after I had completely customized the wig is I cut it. So you want to take small sections. I wish I would have recorded it better, but you want to take small sections and you want to make sure you have a pair of shears and cut straight across. Now this blunt cut is good if you want to do a long bob, a short bob. If you also want to do it for a flip up, that'll also be really cute for this wig too. Like I said, I haven't finished fully doing the wig, but I at least wanted to show y'all the whole process of how I actually achieved this color. Now y'all, I actually messed up these highlights. This is my first real time doing highlights, and I actually messed up and I was gonna give up, but I decided to keep going. And this is all what my channel is all about: faith, perseverance, lifestyle, and hair. And we're gonna keep going on this channel no matter what tries to stop us. So as you see me, I'm kind of cutting. I hate that it's kind of off center and off the camera. I don't know why it ended up coming out like that, but I do apologize. But y'all will start to kind of see the cut, and this hair moves beautifully. It is such a really nice wig. I actually made this wig from scratch. I sewed this wig and fully did this wig. If you want to see that video, I will link that down below and also link it up in this video. Now to start the highlights, what I like to do is part the hair, and I will bleach in parts. Now the best thing to do for me to get highlights, once I actually went back over it and realized like, okay, maybe this is not the best way to get highlights, it's just doing random parts. You want to actually thread the end of the comb to get small pieces out, and then bleach those pieces. You don't even have to bleach it all the way up. You just bleach those pieces, and it's gonna help you achieve that layer highlight look. The reason why I got so many different tones in the hair and helped me achieve the hair, the look that I have, is because I had bleached it once, didn't like the way it came out, so I went back again, and I also bleached some of the tones that were already there, so it gave me kind of like this highlight, low light kind of look. I did not add any toner. I wasn't sure if I wanted to tone it. I wasn't sure if I wanted to at least add purple shampoo, because I know for my low lights, my highlights, for the ones that are like really blonde, like 613 30, the one that kind of dyed up really blonde, I know that was gonna give it more of a ash blonde if I was to bleach it, and I didn't know how that ash blonde was going to mesh with the darker blondes and browns, so I just kind of decided not to tone it. You want to make sure you also have foil to space everything out. So I use foil, and then I just hold the foil in the back and bleach it up. Now I will be doing a remake of this video where I actually show y'all the full process. This is just a quick video to kind of explain what I did and show y'all little clips here and there of what I did throughout this whole video. I'm trying to get a better camera, y'all, better setup, so I can give y'all better quality videos, but those things cost, so we are trying to slowly get there as my channel grows. This is why it's so important for y'all to like, comment, share, subscribe, because the more y'all help me and I get monetized and I'm able to start getting paid for these videos, then I'm able to do better quality videos. I'm able to edit my videos better. I'm able to do so much more, in my videos with your like, comment, subscribe, and share if you want to support me and if you like my content. So after I did all that, this is how it looked on the first go, and I wasn't able to record how it looked on the second go, but this was the finished look, y'all, and it was still giving absolute butter. I love y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Thank y'all for watching. Bye.